Okay, so now we are going to use the first principle to solve this problem. So example 1, find the derivative of the following function using the first principle. So the basic things here is you need to remember the formula of how to use first principle, where we use limit h approaches 0, f(x) plus h minus fx over h. Okay. So because we have fx equals to 5x plus 4 here, so we have to substitute x plus h into all x in your function. So the limit is remain. So we change x into x plus h plus with 4 minus, we have 5x plus 4. Don't forget to put a bracket since it will change the sign here, and then over h. Okay, so for 5 and then the bracket h, x plus h here, you need to expand. So when you expand, you will get 5x plus 5h plus 4 minus, open the bracket, 5x minus 4 over h. Okay, here we need to simplify. So when we simplify, we will find that 5x minus 5x equals to 0 and 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So we just only have 5h. So 5h over h, where h approaches 0. So because of h over h equals to 1, so we will get only 5. So this is the answer. If we differentiate like usual, it is same as 5 as well. So you can just check back. Now we want to do example 1b. We have y equals to 2x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 5. Both are in the bracket. So first we need to expand this function. So we will have 2x squared minus 10x plus x minus with 5. Okay, and then when we simplify this, we will get 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. Okay, so this is the function that we need to use in the first principle formula by using limit. So because of the title here is y, so we want to find the dy over dx, same as if we got fx, so we use f prime. But this we use limit h approaches 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. Okay, so change all x here with x plus h. So we have limit h approaches 0 to x plus h squared minus 9x plus h minus 5 minus with the actual function. So 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 over h. Okay, now we need to expand this. So we will get 2 multiplied with x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 9x minus 9h minus 5 minus with 2x squared plus 9x plus 5 over, here got bracket, over h. Okay, and then limit h approaches 0. When we expand this, we will get 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 9x minus 9h minus 5 minus 2x squared plus 9x plus 5 over h. Okay, now we simplified this expression. So we got 2x squared minus 2x squared equals to 0. And minus 9x with plus 9x equals to 0. And then minus 5 with plus 5 equals to 0. So the remaining function or the remaining terms will have only h, where we need to factorize h so that we can divide by h here. So we got 4xh plus 2h squared minus 9h. So we bring out h to factorize it. So we got 4x minus plus with 2h minus 9 over h. So h over h equals to 1. So this is the function that left. And then because of this is limit when h approaches 0, so we got 2h here. So when we substitute h equals to 0 into this h, so we will get the last answer is 4x minus 9. Okay. Example 2. If fx equals to 4x plus 2x squared, find f prime x but from first principle, hence calculate f prime 2 and f prime negative 2. So first we need to find the f prime by using first principle. So remember the formula of first principle where we have limit when h approaches 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. Okay, so substitute x plus h into your function fx. So we got 4x plus h plus 2x plus h squared minus bracket 4x plus 2x squared over h. So limit h approaches 0. Okay. The limit here, you have to write until the last substitution. Okay. If we don't substitute h equals to 0 yet into the function, then you have to write limit h approaches 0. So when we expand this 4x plus 4h plus, okay, here we need to expand x plus h squared first before we multiply with 2. So we got 2, then in bracket x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 2x squared over h. Okay, and then we have 4x plus 4h plus 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 4x minus 2x squared over h. So from here we found 2x squared and 2x squared minus, so becomes 0. 4x minus 4x, so we have 4h, 4xh and 2h squared. So all the terms that left should have h because we need to factorize all h. And then becomes 4 plus 4x plus 2h over h. Why the term that left has h? Because of we need to factorize it and we need to divide by over h here. And then because of we have 2h here, so when you substitute h equals to 0 into 2h, so it becomes 0, so we just have only 4x plus 4. So this is the result of the first principle. So the question asks you to find the f prime 2 and f prime negative 2. So from this answer, we need to substitute the value of x2 and negative 2. So when you substitute 2, so you will get 8 plus 4, 12, and f prime negative 2, 4 times negative 2 plus 4, so you will get negative 8 plus 4, so you get negative 4. So this is the last answer.